Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are Max Living Office in Fishers. I'm excited to share with you today a family recipe, and it's a Sloppy Joe recipe. So it's very kid friendly, and you can mix it up to make it however you want. It's a very forgiving recipe, I should say. So I'll share with you mine today. I'm just going to start with ground beef. You can do 1 to 2 pounds. I just have some organic ground beef from Costco, and it's about 1.25 pounds. So I'm going to cut that and put it into, oh, it's got to peel here. I'm going to put it into my pan. I'm going to brown that with 1 onion and garlic. So one thing that makes my life so much easier is not having to mince garlic. I simply get one of these prepped containers of garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon is equal to 1 garlic clove. So it recommends 1 teaspoon, but feel free to be generous. If you like garlic, you can add more. Okay. Okay, so once you have your ground beef cooked up with your onion and your garlic, you're just gonna add all the other ingredients. So I'm going to add this is 15 ounces, so 15 to 16 ounces of tomato sauce. Two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I get the vinegar with the Bragg's brand, or just an unfiltered apple cider vinegar. So it's a little bit thicker than the filtered vinegar that comes in a larger container. Okay, so then it calls for 2 teaspoons of dry mustard or regular mustard, whatever you have on hand is fine. One tablespoon of paprika. And up to 1.5 cups of ketchup, but I usually just do about 1 cup because I don't have 2 pounds of ground beef. Keep in mind I have a little bit of a smaller batch. So I'm just gonna stir this together. You can add other spices to taste if you'd like, such as chili powder or a turmeric. And then once it's all cooked, we put it over a bed of greens such as spinach, or mixed greens, or just add some broccoli. If you prefer, you can add it to a healthy multigrain bun. So this is, oh, and last but not least, you've got to add stevia. And stevia is going to make it sweet. So the original recipe called for brown sugar, but I simply add stevia instead to make it healthier, and it's amazing. So, just stir it together and serve it as you'd like. And it's a really great sugar-free, family-friendly, kid-friendly Sloppy Joe recipe. You can eat this right away. You can also put it in the freezer and it'll keep for up to 2 months, and you can just easily reheat it. You can gift it to a friend. So these are really easy meals to make in advance over the weekend and then have later during the course of your busy week. So enjoy.